Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be building our own personal computer. Now we have all the parts that we need here, so let's get started, shall we? So right here we have all of our parts. We have a micro ATX form factor motherboard, an AMD A8 5600 series processor. We have a stick of SODIMM RAM. It's made for laptops, but it should work for this project. We have a hard drive and a CPU cooler. So that's all we should need to really build this rig. So let's go. We're going to want to make sure that we have the right sort of socket for the processor. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that this little tiny arrow right here lines up with the arrow right here. So you're going to want to put that on there and press down really hard so that it locks into place, just like so. And then you're going to want to pull this little latch down. Then you're going to want to take your RAM, put it in like so. And there we go, we got our RAM in there. Next, you're going to want to take your CPU cooler and put it right here. And then make sure all the little latches and whatnot locks up. And you should be set after you get those in there. There we go. So now that we have our CPU installed, what we're going to be Whoops. Alright, so we'll bring this over here. We'll worry about the hard drive later, so set that aside. Next, what we're going to be doing is